Are you looking for a microphone that has multiple different uses? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the BOYA Magic. This is a microphone that has multiple different uses, and even inside of it, it has lapels and wireless mics, and it comes with a sweet little tripod. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Look at this. This is the BOYA Magic 4-in-1 microphone. And this thing, I gotta say, is awesome. Packaging right here looks fantastic. Lots of information on here as well. Very, very nice. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the quick start guide and some documentation right here. So it looks like we've got everything we need to get everything understood and started up. We have what looks to be like our travel case. This is awesome. This thing feels very, very nice. It's definitely high quality. Let's see what it looks like inside. As you'll see inside, we've got multiple different little pockets here and here. Got some here as well, and here. There's like some kind of felt material, so it's very, very soft inside. Feels very nice and sturdy on top of that. So soft inside and then sturdy on the outside, and it's got these little straps in here that make it sturdy as well. This thing is very nice, and it was packed full of stuff. So let's see what was inside of this. We've got what looks to be like some wind guard covers that go on some of the microphones. So that's very, very cool. An additional one that is like a sleeve, so it's going to go over the longer microphone, it appears to be. And this thing looks very nice. Multiple different cables here. We've got USB-C to USB-C. We've got USB-C to USB-A, and we've got two auxiliary cables right here. So looks like these are like the microphone style headphone cables. Very nice. It's also got logos on it. Very, very nice. This appears to be our clip-on right here. This thing feels great and it looks very high quality. We've got our power button, and then we've got our volume style mute button here. We've got our USB-C, and we've also got our auxiliary cable. This thing looks great. It's definitely high quality. Looks like we've got an attachment for an iPhone right here. It's very, very cool that this is a lightning cable, because guess what? A lot of people do not have the newest and most expensive iPhone right now, which is the only one that uses the USB-C. So it's very, very cool that you do get the lightning attachments for an iPhone. I love that, honestly. Looks like we have our tripod right here. So this is the desk mic version, so you will be attaching the microphone. And this thing is metal, first off, so very, very high quality. Huge fan of that. This is plastic down here. This is metal up here. It definitely feels like a great combination of quality. Huge fan, loving that. Looks like we've got the ability to attach and unattach it for the different head plates. Fantastic. And it looks like we have our handheld here. This thing is very nice. It's got our little wind guard on it, but I know there is an additional attachment for that. And wow, look at that. This thing is awesome because it's not just handheld. I'm going to dive more into that in just a little bit, but as you'll see, you can put it out and interview people and ask them questions. Very, very cool. And the one thing I showed you earlier is actually these little attachments. So you can store them by magnetizing them in right here, right? And then when it's time to use it, pop it out and put it on your phone, and these two will communicate together. It comes with iPhone and USB-C. Loving it. Very awesome. It comes with both. As I was showing you earlier, if you look inside the handheld, we've got our lavaliers in here for the wireless setup. Look at that. That's so smart to have it connected like that. So these do pop out, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. They look very, very nice, very high quality. These will just be able to clip onto things, so I'm a huge fan of that. I see something we can peel. I know you guys always love to see that, so let's peel those off for the strips. And as I was showing you earlier, the little wind guards, so just to show you what those look like when attached, they're so smart. This is great. I love that it's just a little cap that you can put on it. That's very awesome, very, very nice. Since I was showing you that, I wanted to go ahead and show you this and being able to put this guard on as well. Right here, just so you have options on the wind guards and being able to hold that out and ask just the right question. Very, very nice. This thing is so cool. As you know, we're gonna test it out, so let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm actually recording this voiceover right now using the BOYA Magic, so everything you hear is coming directly from the microphone. One mic, 4 forms, all scenes with ease. Switch seamlessly between wireless lavalier, which is perfect for vlogging, handheld interview stick, ideal for street reporting, desktop microphone, which is for crisp podcasting, and on camera, so you get some cinematic audio. No extra equipment, no wasted time. Invisible wear, that's right, it's super easy to use and it can be pretty much invisible. You can use the lavalier and clip it to many different parts of your clothes, but you can also pair that lavalier with your on-camera transmitter device to create a unique audio experience. And the fact that there are magnets attached to the lavaliers means you can pretty much magnetize it anywhere and keep it out of sight. Ultra compact, featuring a slim 13mm profile, it blends seamlessly with your outfit. Its lightweight build ensures a secure fit that feels virtually weightless, freeing you to create without limits. True AI, redefined noise cancellation. I'm actually using the noise cancellation right now, so what you're hearing is from the noise cancellation features. With that pure voice, BOYA Magic features an AI-powered neural network chip trained on 700,000 plus audio samples and 20,000 hours of deep learning to instantly identify and suppress diverse noises in real time.
I figured this right here would be good to show some of the range and distance on this. So right now I'm using the lapel version right here, and it is a little windy outside, but I can hold it like this as well, and talking to it like this. I am probably about 10 feet to 15 feet away from the camera right now, but quality wise, I hope this sounds really good, and I'm sure it will, because everything has been great from these guys so far.
Delivering up to 40 decibels of noise cancellation. Unlike traditional noise cancellation, it surgically removes distractions without thinning or distorting vocals. Your voice stays natural and studio crisp, even in chaos. Studio quality sound and is captured live. Captures studio quality sound anywhere with 48 kHz by 24-bit HD recording, preserving every vocal detail. Its 144 decibel dynamic range and 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response maintain crisp highs and rich lows through precision tuning. Double protection with no clips, that's right. So if you don't want to use the clips on the lavaliers, you can use the magnets, but also be aware that those lavaliers are kept nice, safe, and secure inside of the desktop mic. No longer do you have to be worried about if you came prepared or not. The BOYA Magic is going to give you the ability to record with peace of mind. BOYA Magic, this thing is awesome, and it should also be every content creator's secret weapon. We want to say, great job. This is our first time working with BOYA Magic, and I gotta say, this thing is awesome. I love the fact that right underneath this thingy right here is this, and there's multiple little lapels in there. So one for you and one for the other. This thing is perfect for interviewing people, and it's just a really genius idea. We want to give a huge shout out to BOYA Magic for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!